Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you what to do when Windows 11 Update has disabled your card's ability to see wireless networks. As you can tell, I am not able to see wireless card on my quick access on the bottom right. I've refreshed it by hitting airplane mode and then going back to wireless. It doesn't bring it back. I have going to the network settings and looking at the options there. I can see bandwidth on my Ethernet card. You can see packet exchange. But I cannot see them on my wireless card. You go to advanced settings, click on network, and you can see packet exchange there. But when I go to my wireless card, I am unable to see any kind of packet exchange there. The way you fix the particular issue I'm having is you have to go down to the bottom left, click on start, type in services.msc and hit enter. A window will pop up, scroll all the way down to the window. On that window, scroll all the way down till you hit Wi-Fi auto config. If you notice, mine is set to manual and it's not running. And Windows 11 Update did that. So we want to fix that by right clicking, going to properties, and selecting automatic from where it says manual on the drop down, hit OK. Then right click and hit start. But before you do that, look at how on mine there is no wireless card there. Now you hit start, it's going to set it up, and now I can see a wireless card. I can see my broadcasting ID, and I can connect to my network. So this was really kicking me in the butt, so I hope this helps you if you're having the same issue. Good luck.